In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to superscript in Figma. Superscript is perfect for things like mathematical exponents, footnote markers, ordinal indicators, or trademark symbols. The goal is to cleanly lift a character above the baseline so it looks intentional and consistent with your typography. Start by opening your design in Figma. So you are looking at the frame or page where your text lives. Click to select the text layer you want to change. If you only want certain characters to appear as superscript, like just the two in X double fay click the text layer to enter editing mode and highlight only the specific characters you want to transform. Selecting just what you need keeps the rest of your text untouched and saves you from reformatting later. With your text selected, look over to the right sidebar in the design panel. In the text section, you'll see a small settings icon that opens type settings. Click that to reveal Figma's advanced typography controls. These are where you'll find professional OpenType features that go beyond the standard font size and weight options. Inside Type Settings, switch to the Details tab. This tab groups finer controls that affect how your text behaves and renders, which is exactly what we need for Superscript. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Numbers. Even though it's called Numbers, this area contains several typographic options related to numeric styles and positioning, including superscript and subscript. Find the superscript icon. It looks like a capital A with a small 2 above it, and click it. The moment you do, the characters you highlighted will shift up and scale down slightly to sit neatly above the baseline. This creates the classic superscript look you expect in professionally typeset documents. If you change your mind, click the same icon again to toggle it off and instantly return the characters to normal. A quick note on what you are seeing. Figma taps into the font's built-in OpenType features when available, which gives you crisp, properly spaced superscripts. If your result looks a bit different from one font to another, that's normal. Each typeface designs its superscripts slightly differently. Also remember that superscript applies only to the text you've highlighted, so you stay in full control of exactly where it appears. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.